Students, here I am doing a program on VB. The question is, suppose here I am writing the question first, giving remark that write a VB program to input a text in text field. Okay, input a text in text field. Fine. Pressing on button should change. I'm taking it to next line. Pressing on button should change its case. Case means that is lower to upper and vice versa. Okay, this is what the question we will do. Fine, students. So here I will take the variable as dim string, s as string. Why string, students? Because s will be the text what you will receive from the text field. Fine. Okay, let it be this much. Now come to the design. Let you do the design. So first the label is coming. In label what we need to write, students? Here now enter a string. String means word. Fine. Then I took a text field where you have to input the text. So I'm keeping it blank, as well as if I wish to extend, I can extend also. I can give color also, which I taught you in previous video or previous class. So this is done. Now I'm taking button here. I'm taking two button. One is to make uppercase and one is to make lowercase. Suppose here I am making the caption as uppercase and this one I am making the caption as lowercase. Fine, lowercase. Here let me teach you one thing, students. Suppose you don't want to click on the button. You don't want to click on the button. Can you do it from the keyboard? Yes, students. How? Just use ampersand sign before you. So what happened here? You got a underline here. So I will teach you later. Just notice the underline. Now here we can give underline to L. So before L you need to specify that ampersand sign. So how it will work, that I will teach you. Just wait. Now take a label where we can get our result. Suppose this is the label where I supposed to get the result. Fine, label number 2. So now double click on the button to write the coding for the uppercase. Fine. What we need to write? S equal to text1 dot text, because the value what you inputted in text field, that will go to s, the variable. Then the answer will display where? Then the answer will come in label 2. So we have to write here label 2 dot text, caption, label 2 dot caption equal to u case, because uppercase na. So u case is a method, students. U case of s. U case. Fine. Understood? U case means uppercase. It will convert to uppercase and it will show in label 2 caption. Now we have to double click on lowercase and we can copy this entire content. Holding control you can drag and you can drop here. This thing is okay. Here label 2. Here what we need to write, students? L case. Fine. This one is just coming like this. You remove it. No need. So let's check now. Running the program. It is appearing now. So you give here. Entering the text it is asking. You give the text. Suppose I am giving Bhubaneswar. Fine. Here suppose I wrote capital. So check. Entire Bhubaneswar is showing in capital letter. Check. Entire Bhubaneswar is showing in small letter. Now I thought of, I told you to show you this underline. Now I am not moving the mouse. Mouse I left here. Now if I press Alt U, it is working C. Alt L, it is working C. Understood that ampersand sign what we gave? This is known as shortcut we can specify, or mnemonic we can specify. Mnemonic. So in uppercase we specified the mnemonic in U, and in lowercase we specified the mnemonic in L. So it depends, any of the character you can choose from the word, only thing you need to specify the ampersand sign before. Understood, students? This is all about the program, and this is your coding. Fine.